Hey everybody, it's your girl, the cster. Welcome back, guys. It's been so hectic, but we're back for part 3. Yes, for part 3. Nika's getting married, and guess what? This is Nika, night before the wedding, guys. And I know I said I was gonna video doing the color on the wig, but I swear, guys, you would never believe it that I took this wig completely down, had to do it all over again. So this is it. So for the color, I just did light and dark strips using 20 volume and 40 volume, and I just pulled little pieces so we would have light and dark. And it's, you know, I made it the same way from how I showed you guys, even though I took it down and started all over again. And I just curled it, and so now we are going to try it on to see what we need to do, if anything, because the big day is tomorrow. So we are going to let Miss Nika try on her wig and see. All right, guys, we're back, and this is the finished product, guys. She loves it. She's gonna be a beautiful bride, and I'm gonna be a teary-eyed mom, and it's gonna be great, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and so you don't miss another episode of the cster in the beauty shop. Deuces.
I got a love for cash that you can't understand. All I know is get money, they call me money man. I'm trying to hit the mall, spin like 100 bands. Hit the dealership, pull off in a new Mercedes Benz. Keep that 9 in my waistband, I secure the bag.